Over with Plaud, we've got their brand new Plaud Note. This guy I've reviewed in the past, sits on the back of your phone and allows you to record conversations as well as phone calls. What's new here is you've got a slightly bigger battery, but you've also lost that ability to be able to record phone calls. You've got a small screen along the top as well, which will give you indicators of battery life and things, so you don't need to head directly into the app in order to use it. Personally, it's not that big of an upgrade, but it is certainly a V2, and there's some nice quality of life improvements here that I can't wait to try out.
Oh,
Yeah, the Note and the Note Pro.
okay. So you can see here this is an actual device, and you can just pull it out as usual, and press this button. You can see the battery here, and also whether it's on or not.
Sorry, yeah, of course.
Yeah.
So we can see
The
battery life, as well as we're
It's
recording.
just a decoration
Yeah.
on
Okay.
it. And if you want to start recording, just long press on it, and then it starts recording
We
also
see
with
it
the
capturing.
vibration.
Yep.
Yes, exactly. And if you like put it on the desk, just a moment, then it will turn into this kind of little beep on it,
Yep.
like it's indicating it's recording, but
Sure.
it will not also be disturbing maybe for some other
Distracting.
people.
Sure.
Exactly. And one really important and also interesting thing for our upgrade is that, for example, if you short press on it, you can see a little purple line on it, right? It indicates that the 15 seconds before and 15 seconds after will
Are
be
super important.
highlighted.
Nice.
Exactly.
Nice.
And then it will be highlighted in your summaries.
Okay.
Then if you want to stop, also long press it again, then it will
Automatically
start.
connect the phone.
Exactly.
Sure.
And then if you want to check it out, just open your device and you can check it on your phone. Because this is not my device, so it may be not linked,
Sure, sure.
but I can show you an example. For example, this kind of meeting I've made yesterday with our other distributors, you can check every important thing with them. And if this is not the template you want, just put the regenerate.
And you can change models.
Exactly. Or you too lazy to choose anything, just choose the auto generation. It will help you to choose it.
So pricing on this one, it's the same as the original Note now, right?
No, the US dollar MSRP around $20 more higher than
20 higher, okay.
Yes, because we
Because of
have
the screen
the little screen,
yeah.
and also it's also the Corning Gorilla Glass, so it's really high end. So that's why. And one more thing about our software price is that from the new app from us, the only differentiation between Starter, Pro, and Unlimited are the transcription time.
Transcription times.
Exactly.
Sure.
All the other will even be open for the Starter plan.
Nice.
Yes, because we're not just a software company, we're also a hardware, so we want our customer, once they bought our product, then they can enjoy all our software service.
Okay, perfect.
Exactly.
All right, thank you so much.
Pleasure, pleasure.